This is a new 2015 Nissan Altima. It's powered by front-wheel drive engine and an automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. The features include heated steering wheel, leather seats, heated seats, steering wheel controls, alloy rims, auto-dimming mirrors, dual temperature controls, automatic climate control, power seats, cruise control. Safety was made a priority with these features: curtain head airbags, side airbags, independent suspension, brake assist, traction control, stability control, a passenger airbag, low tire pressure warning, anti-lock brakes. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today.